Welcome to Finding UK Articles in CINAHL. CINAHL is a nursing and allied health database which indexes more than 5,000 leading publications. In this tutorial, we will look at finding UK-specific content for publications on CINAHL on EBSCOhost. You can perform a keyword search for the United Kingdom and related keywords and combine with the CINAHL subject headings for the UK and related nations. Begin enter United Kingdom and related nations in the search box. As you enter your terms, you can also select popular searches from the autocomplete feature. Then click Suggest Subject Terms and click Search. The subject index appears with the appropriate headings identified. Select the appropriate index term, that is United Kingdom. Select the Explode option as required to include now related subject headings and check the scope note to verify the term you're selecting. You may also check the keyword search highlighted in pink. Note on the right both terms are listed and combined using the OR operator to indicate a search of the CINAHL subject terms combined with the original keyword search for United Kingdom. When you're ready, click Search Database. In the search history, select the original search results and combine the UK-specific search by selecting both sets and then select Search with AND in the search history. To limit these search results to articles published in the United Kingdom, as well as in Ireland, go to the Geographic Limiter on the first column and select UK and Ireland. This will then filter the search results to retrieve records which appear in a UK or Irish journal. Please note this does not mean the content relates to the United Kingdom or Ireland, only that the publication originates from either country. For more information, go to the online help system within the EBSCO's interface. You will also find the CINAHL help menu by scrolling to the bottom of the page. Click CINAHL. For more information, visit EBSCO Connect at connect.ebsco.com.